Hello everyone, welcome to my channel JMAS India. I am MK Jabinta. Today in this video I am giving you the knowledge about the first module of CPS subject for first sem CBCS BTU students. I am dedicating this video to all the students. Now let us start. Now let us begin. Introduction to C. C is a general purpose programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie at AT and T Bell Laboratories in 1972. Advantages or features of C language. C language is very popular language because of the following features. C is structured programming language. It is considered a high level language because it allows the programmer to solve a problem without worrying about machine details. It has a wide variety of operators using which a program can be written easily to solve a given problem. C is more efficient, which increases the speed of execution and management of memory compared to low-level languages. C is a machine independent. The program written on one machine will work on another machine. C can be executed on many different hardware platforms. Now let us see pseudocode, a solution to problem. Definition. It is a series of steps to solve a given problem written using a mixture of English and C language. It acts as a problem solving tool. It is the first step in writing a program. Purpose. It is to express a solution to a given problem using mixture of English language and C like code. Advantage. Easy to write and understand. It is relatively easy to convert English description solution of small programs to C program. Example. Addition of two numbers. Get the numbers A and B. Compute addition. Sum is equal to A plus B. Print the result sum. Example 2. Area of the circle. Get the radius R. Compute area. Area is equal to 3.141 into R. Print the result area. Disadvantage. It is very difficult to translate the solution of lengthy and complex problem in English to C. Now let us see C programming concepts. Program. A program is a group of instructions given by the programmer to perform a specific task. Character set of C program. Definition. A symbol that is used while writing a program is called a character. A character can be alphabet, letters, lowercase, uppercase, digits 0 to 9, special symbols. See the figure. Now let us see tokens. Tokens are the smallest or basic units of C program. One or more characters are grouped in sequence to form meaningful words. These meaningful words are called as tokens. A token is collection of characters. Tokens are classified into 5 types as below, as shown in the figure. Now let us see keywords. The tokens which have predefined meaning in C language are called keywords. They are reserved for a specific purpose in C language. They are called as reserved words. There are totally 32 keywords supported in C. They are as shown in the figure. Rules for keywords. Keywords should not be used as variables, function names, array names, etc. All keywords should be written in lowercase letters. Keywords meaning cannot be changed by the users. Now let us say identifiers. Definition. Identifiers are the names given to program elements such as variables, constants, functions, names, array names, etc. It consists of one or more letters or digits or underscore. Rules for identifiers. The first character should be an alphabet or an underscore. Then first character is followed by any number of letters or digits. No extra symbols are allowed other than letters, digits, and underscore. Keywords cannot be used as an identifier. The length can be 31 characters for external, 63 for internal. Identifiers are case sensitive. Example, area, sum. See the figure. Now let us see constants definition. Constants refer to fixed values that do not change during the execution of a program. The different types of constants are integer constants, real constant or floating pointing constant, enumeration constant, character constant, string constant. Integer constant definition. An integer is a whole number without any decimal point. No extra characters are allowed other than plus or underscore. Three types of integers. Decimal integers are constants with a combination of digits 0 to 9, optional plus or minus. Example 1, 2, 3, comma, minus 3, 4, 5, comma, 0, comma, 5, 4, 3, 6, comma, plus 79. Octal integers are constants with a combination of digits from 0 to 7, but it has a prefix of 0. Example 027, comma, 0657, comma, 0777645. Hexadecimal integers. Digits from 0 to 9 and characters from A to F. It has to start with 0x or 0 small letter x or 0 capital letter x. Example 0 capital letter X to 0 small letter x 56, 0 capital letter X 5FD, 0 small letter x BDE A or AE. Now let us see real constants are floating point. Floating point constants are base 10 numbers that are represented by fractional parts such as 10.5. They can be positive or negative. Two forms are fractional form. A floating point number represented using fractional form has an integer part followed by dot and a functional part. Example 0.0083 to 15.5 minus 71 plus 0.56 etc. Exponential form. A floating point number represented using exponent form has three parts. Mantissa space E space exponent. Mantissa is either real number expressed in decimal notation or integer. Exponent must be integer with optional plus or minus. Example 9.86 E3 gives rise to 9.86 into 10 to the power of 3. Second example is 9.86 E minus 3 gives, that is 9.86 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Enumeration constant. A set of named integer constants defined using the keyword enum are called enumeration constants. Syntax: enum identifier within the flower bracket enum list semicolon. Enum boolean within the bracket no comma s. No is assigned with 0, s is assigned with the value 1. Enum days within the flower bracket Monday comma Tuesday comma Wednesday. Monday is assigned with 0, Tuesday is assigned with 1, Wednesday is assigned with 2. Character constant. A symbol enclosed within a pair of single quotes is called character constant. Each character is associated with unique value called ASCII value. Example within the single quote 9, within the single quote dollar. Backslash constants escape sequence characters. Definition: an escape sequence character begins with backslash and is followed by one character. A backslash along with a character gives rise to special print effects. It always start with backslash, hence they are called as backslash constants. See the figure. Now let us see string constants. A sequence of characters enclosed within a pair of double quotes is called string constant. The string always ends with a null character. Example, within the double quote 9, within the double quote college. Now let us see data types and sizes. Definition. The data type defines the type of data stored in memory location or the type of data the variable can hold. The classification of data types are as shown in the figure. There are a few basic data types supported in C: int, float, double, char, wide. Integer data type, that is int. It stores an integer value or integer constant. An int is a keyword using which the programmer can inform the compiler that the data associated with this keyword should be treated as integer. C supports three types of integer: short int, long int. See the figure for more information. Now let us see floating data type, float. A float is a keyword using which the programmer can inform the compiler that the data associated with this keyword should be treated as a floating point number. The size is 4 bytes. The range is -3.4E382 plus 3.4E38. Float can hold the real constant accuracy up to 6 digits after the decimal point. Now let us see double data type. Double. An double is a keyword using which the programmer can inform the compiler that the data associated with this keyword should be treated as a long floating point number. The size is 8 bytes. The range is from 1.7E -308 to 1.7E plus 308. Double can hold real constant up to 16 digits after the decimal point. Now let us see character data type, char. Char is a keyword which is used to define single character or a sequence of character in a C language capable of holding one character from the local character set. The size of the character variable is 1 byte. The range is from -128 to plus 127. Each character stored in the memory is associated with a unique value termed as ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is used to represent character and strings. See the figure. Now let us say wide data type, wide. It is an empty data type. No memory is allocated, mainly used when there are no return values. Now let us see variable. A variable is a name given to memory location where data can be stored. Using variable name, data can be stored in a memory location and can be accessed or manipulated very easily. Rules for variables. The first character should be an alphabet or an underscore. The first character is followed by any number of letters or digits. No extra symbols are allowed other than letters, digits and underscore. Keywords cannot be used as an integer. Example: sum valid, for one valid, for invalid. It is a keyword. Now let us see declaration of variables. Giving a name to memory location is called declaring a variable. Reserving the required memory space to store the data is called defining a variable. General syntax is data type variable 1, variable 2 up to variable n. Example: int a, float x, y, double, sum. From the examples, we will come to know that A is a variable of type integer and allocates 2 bytes of memory. X and Y are 2 variables of type float which will be allocated 4 bytes of memory for each variable. Sum is a double type variable which will be allocated with 8 bytes of memory for each. Variable initialization. Variables are not initialized when they are declared and defined and they contain garbage values, meaningless values. The method of giving initial values for variables before they are processed is called variable initialization. General syntax. Var name is equal to expression where semicolon after expression where var name is the name of the variable. Expression expr is the value of the expression. The expr on the right hand side is evaluated and stored in the variable name var name on left hand side. The expression on right hand side may be constant variable or a larger formula built from simple expression by arithmetic operators. Example, int a is equal to 10 assigns the value 10 to the integer value a float x is equal to 20, creates a variable of y of float type and assigns value 20 to it. Int a is equal to 10 b is equal to a, creates 2 variables a and b. A is assigned with 10. The value of a is assigned to the variable b. Now the value of b is 10. Price is equal to cost star 3 assigns the product of cost and 3 to price. Square is equal to num star num assigns the product of num with num to square. Now let us see displaying output using printf. Printf is an output statement in C used to display the content on the screen. Print the data stored in the specified memory location or variable format. The data present in memory location is formatted to appropriate data type. There are various forms of printf statements. Method 1. Printf of within the common bracket within double quote format string semicolon after bracket. Format string can be any character. The character included within the double quotes will be displayed on the output screen. Example, printf welcome to India. Output is welcome to India. Second method is printf within the common bracket within double quote format string comma var list after bracket common bracket semicolon. Format string also called as control string. Format string consists of format specifier of particular data type. Format specifier starts with percentage sign followed by a conversion code. Variable list are the variable names separated by comma. Example, int a is equal to 10, float b is equal to 20. Printf integer is equal to percentage d comma floating is equal to percentage f within the common bracket within the double quote then comma a comma b close the common bracket semicolon. Output is integer is equal to 10, floating point is equal to 20. Number of format specifiers must be equal to number of variables. While specifying the variable's name, make sure that it matches to the format specifiers within the double quotes. Format specifiers. Format specifiers are the character string with percentage sign followed with a character. It specifies the type of the data that is being processed. It is also called conversion specifier or conversion code. There are many format specifiers defined in C. See the figure once.